Welcome back to Revsolution. This is a really different video that I'm going to do today. Really simple, really straightforward. This is a LG bread maker, the HB152CE. Had it for a little while now and I decided just to make a quick video on how to make the bread. Now times have changed since I bought this bread maker, so you can actually buy ready to mix bread from Asda. There's probably other places you can buy it from. This is the only one they had in store, unfortunately. So, but never mind, all you got to do is get your bucket, make sure the mixing blade is down the bottom. There's a little catch down there which matches up with this part here, so literally pop it in. Once it is in, it will lock down nice and secure, and then all you got to do is put the mixture in. Now on the back here, there you go, step: add 350 milliliters of warm water and mix for 5 minutes. However, this is going straight in to the bread maker, so we haven't got to worry about mixing. So let's get the jug. I've got nice warm water in here, so let's pour it in. So we've got 350 ml of water. Nice and simple now. Pouring that straight in to the bucket. Get it all in. Go empty. Add 350 milliliters of water. Close the lid. Now when you come to this section here, you got medium, light and dark. At the moment it's on A, so it's set at medium. I'm going to go for a dark loaf. You got your basic bread, speciality, whole wheat, French, rapid and dough for pizza bases, and also the cake mix. So I'm just going to go for basic. I'm on a dark bread and I'm going to hit start. So I press start now and off it goes. I will leave that for nearly 4 hours, 3 hours 50 minutes, or 3 hours 40 minutes now on the clock. We'll come back, we'll revisit it in a minute. It's really simple, nice easy machine. You can pick these up second hand now for quite a reasonable amount. And the instruction booklet is really detailed. You've got plenty of different breads here, loads of recipes. You really can't go wrong with making different bread here. There is one I'm definitely going to try, and that is the beer bread. Let's have a look at that. Really simple, really easy video. Just showing you how you use the bread maker HB152CE with the Asda ready mix bread packs. So we'll revisit that in a few minutes. So we've got 20 minutes left on the timer. The bread is rising lovely. The house smells like an absolute beautiful bakery. And yeah, can't really see it there. 20 minutes left on the timer. We'll get out shortly. And there we go. 3 hours 40 minutes. It beeps 4 times once it is completed on this one, and there we have it, freshly baked loaf. And it was so simple, literally just put it straight into the machine and press a button, walk away and forget about it. I'll try and take it out now. Got my oven glove. That should just pull out nice and easy. Put it straight on the chopping board. Now, sometimes I'm doing this one-handed, but it is difficult to get out. However, the last couple I've done have come out really simple, really easy. Try and get it out in one go. Good shake, and it's slowly starting to come out. There we go. And it's out. Now sometimes you've got to be careful that the blade down there doesn't actually get lodged inside the base of the bread. But as you can see, nice and hollow there. Quite a decent sized loaf. And against a pint glass, the Bubba Gump one, you can see the size of it. Very, very simple. It cannot be more simple than that. You get the little packet, you put the water in, you put the packet in, you set your setting for the baking control, you press start, and you forget about it. This is a very, very simple way to cook bread at home, and it smells amazing. Very different content from my usual stuff, but please hit that subscribe button. Slightly different, but we all love bread. Until next time, thanks for watching Rebel Solutions.